In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to delete the search history on Google or any other browser directly from your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, I opened my search history, but let me clarify something important. When you delete browsing history, it only removes the list of websites you visited. However, the actual searches you performed remain intact. Let me show you an example. I deleted the browsing history, which cleared the data of the visited websites. But as you can see, the search history still exists. Now, to completely delete your search history, here's what you need to do. 1. Go to your Google account's homepage. 2. Tap on your profile icon, your account's logo, at the top. 3. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. 4. Navigate to Web and App Activity or Search History. From here, you'll see options to delete your search history. You can clear the history for a specific day, delete everything from all time, or set custom date ranges to delete only certain searches. For example, if you choose to delete all history, just click on the Delete option, follow the prompts, and confirm. It will wipe out all your search history for that account. To confirm, I opened the search bar again, and as you can see, there's no search history, just trending searches. If you also want to clear search history in Google, repeat the steps above by tapping on the search history option under your profile logo. Once again, select to delete, confirm the time frame, and you're done. This method is super easy and ensures that your search history is completely cleared, whether you're using Google or another browser. Follow these steps, and your browsing privacy will stay intact. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips like this one. See you in the next video.